I've been waiting for my tripod mount adapters for a month now. I ordered 4 adapters. First I connect the adapter to my mini tripod. Made a video image stabilizer. I wonder if it fits. The long GoPro screw causes a problem. Will the new adapter fit my normal tripod? Unfortunately, the hole is not deep enough. Next, will the adapter fit my car dashboard holder? I had some problems with my new adapters, but everything can be fixed. By replacing the long GoPro screw, I can now use my string stabilizer.